of a whole new nation. Thanks to the number of children he had, he was also known as Israel, but most of the time, his sons and his wives used to call him Dad. Jacob, Jacob and son. The men of the soil and the chief of the brook. Jacob, Jacob and son. A remarkable family in anyone's book. Reuben was the eldest of the children of Israel, with Simeon and Levi the next in line. Naphtali and Issachar and Asher and Dan. Zebulun and Gad took the total to 9.